my channel. This is a styling video, so I wanted to show you guys how I got this hairstyle in like very simple steps. No gel needed, and all you need is just bobby pins, a hairpiece that you don't use, and some accessories. So that's basically how I got it. Do stay tuned for the rest of the video to see the process. And I made a DIY ponytail, so I'm going to show you guys the process of me making this ponytail. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the notification icon. Also, yeah, let me know what is your favorite protective hairstyle. You know, these styles are in right now, so what style are you keen to try out? Please do comment down below and let me know. Love you guys. Mwah. So my hair has been parted into 3 sections, and the section at the back I'm actually going to tie it up using a hair tie. Don't be like me, try and detangle your hair. So what I'm gonna do now is just basically tuck the hair to the bag and secure it using bobby pins. I've also decided not to use any edge controller, but as an option you can use it. And if you know how to flat twist, instead of using bobby pins, you can flat twist this section of the hair. So I'm just continuing tucking the hair to the back and putting in some bobby pins. So now I'm going to secure the ponytail that I did. I'm using the strap, my DIY strap, to kind of just secure the ponytail to the back section, and also taking a bit of a section of the hair, making it around the hair. So this is also another option where you leave the hair like this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you another option. And eating myself. So now I'm going back again and using a smaller section and rounding it around the ponytail. I'm gonna use a gold string that I actually bought from On Your Crown and use that to style the ponytail. So the smell that you see in my face is me realizing how cute the style is actually looking. So that's the end result. Now I'm showing you guys the ponytail section. So now I am actually using a crochet hook on a wig net to crochet the hair that I bought onto the net. I'm doing this because I want to reuse the hair. I just also want to make sure that it doesn't tangle. So I decided to make it into this ponytail, so that I also am able to kind of just hang the hair on a mannequin head. So I'm using a crochet hook and just basically crocheting the hair into this net. And then you can see there a strap that I'm going to use to pull the ponytail and secure it onto my hair. So that's the finished product of the